In fact, most of the stories, every story they tell you is about a prince that ran away. It's about a prince that ran away. It's almost becoming like a test by moonlight stories. Honestly. Then you tell them how did you come about your language? How did it get to this point? No, we married some people from the eastern region, and the eastern people, the wives, Christianity, they look for all sorts of reasons, all sorts of laughable reasons, and it's interesting. Now, at this point, I think those kind of people, at this point, I think they should be first. They should be hiding their faces. Now, why do I say this? Because this is the game they are playing now, which to me, it's very lame for them to do that. Very below the belt, in my opinion. They are very much aware that, of course, they have some Ikwere sons that are